you could see what happened here at 2022 when we had price action could not hold above previous support. In this case, in 2022, it was 32.4K, and it was below the 8 EMA. What had happened in 2022 when the same exact setup occurred? It sold off. So now that we know the EMAs and you have the whole idea of my concept, we have not spoke about order flows. Now, we did give you the definition on order flows. It pretty much gives you a gauge of where people are buying and people are selling, in a lack of better words. There's more to it, but just to keep it simplistic. So let's even make it even easier on the eyes. Instead of the weekly, let's go to the daily. This is the daily time frame. So each candle is 1 day. We have higher density and buy limit orders below than above. See how light, usually, so the darker the color, actually the brighter the color, the more volume it is. See how light these are? Very small in comparison to here. So when I said originally, remember what did I say in the beginning of my statement? Bitcoin needs to fall before it goes higher. Bitcoin needs to fall before, actually I specifically said 98K. Bitcoin needs to fall because it's healthier, it's structurally more sound, it gives better momentum and fuel to continue a move up higher. Because look how much space it takes. This is all selling pressure. Anywhere in the zone, general zone, all selling pressure. And as soon as the general selling pressure nicks this, it will fall. So the two outcomes is if we open above, currently, now we're speaking currently in 2026 at the current market price. If Bitcoin is above 74.4 and does not hit 50K, this next pump up is going to be a knee breaker fake out. It will be. You're going to see maybe about 85-ish, maybe 89, 90, and then it's going to totally capitulate further. But this stronger, more patient trader is looking for a trade somewhere in this general zone because there is demand, there is hot demand. I'm not blind. I clearly see Bitcoin is oversold, but I cannot be trading with my emotions. I have to clearly be specifying, looking at the chart. This is a false breakout. I hate to tell it to you. This is a false breakout. No one wants to come out and say, oh, this is still bullish. Short term, it's bearish. Long term, it's bullish. Short term, it's bearish. Long term, it's bullish. So that's pretty much... without going into really in-depth, which if you are really curious on the in-depth, again, fully transparent. I do not hide anything. The only thing I ask you to do is go check out my X page. I wrote a blog under the article section. It's totally free. It's called Bitcoin Thesis. And in that case, I actually give you literally my exact trading strategy because I want to promote more critical thinking in the trading sector. All right. Dang, I appreciate you watched my live for 100 minutes. I appreciate that. After I gave you my Bitcoin thesis, again, I will open up the gate now